So this show, Chris, it's called Investor Types, where we help people identify, what's the right kind of investment for them if they're looking to get into, say, a fixed credit or a credit investment, which may be a specified term. If someone was to come to you and say that, look, Chris, I want to get involved in some fixed income investments with LaTrobe, what would be their personality or their investor type?
Well, we've discussed sort of some categories of investors that we deal with already. When you think about it, though, our fundamental investment objective here at LaTrobe is very consistent across our portfolio. So whoever our investors are, whether they're the largest institution or the smallest everyday mum and dad investor, they want their capital returned to them in full, and they want to generate a consistent monthly income that is a reasonable margin above the rate of inflation. Traditionally and predictably, we see a lot of people at or near retirement age who are looking to protect their capital from market volatility. They're looking to manage sequencing risk, and they're looking to generate income for living expenses. Interestingly, though, and particularly as we've rolled out some of our online platforms and perhaps this peer-to-peer offering as well, we're seeing a lot of younger savvy investors, and really they're coming to us simply because they're dissatisfied with the rates of return from other income offerings in a world where base interest rates are so low. Mm-hmm. I'm always, though, and I've probably said it a few times already, Stefan, I want to really stress that whoever the investor is and whatever portfolio you're talking about with LaTrobe Financial, our commitment to those same levels of investment discipline, of transparency, as we discussed earlier, of professionalism, also though, hopefully, of friendly service, they remain the same.
Okay. I see it as though if it's almost like, because it's a term investment, you've got to be willing to give your money away a lot of the time and not ask for it back before that term is up. So be willing to have that money gone. But definitely it is that security in a portfolio and believing in someone that will hopefully pay you back. You're not lending to Bob, your next door neighbor. You're lending to a reputable business that's been around for a long time, headed up by a very great man. And that's the kind of investor that if you wanted that long-term, that income approach, albeit it is a more risky, but then say a term deposit, because term deposits, as you spoke about before, have that government backing. They're less than $250,000. They are government secured. So you don't fall under that same banner. But look, I think LaTrobe's an amazing business doing amazing things. Keep marketing the way you're marketing, because I see the LaTrobe banner everywhere now. And if you can, Chris, keep supporting the mighty Collingwood Magpies.